Best digital microscopes. As digital microscopes become increasingly essential for hobbyists, educators, technicians, and professionals, the demand for durable, high-quality models has grown rapidly. Today's users want sharp imaging, versatile magnification ranges, intuitive layouts, and strong overall value. This guide evaluates the best digital microscopes based on build quality, display performance, usability, connectivity, and price-to-performance ratio, helping you choose the ideal tool for electronics repair, scientific study, coin inspection, and more.
Product number 1. Elikliv EDM4 Microscope. The Elikliv EDM4 is a standout option for users who need sharp imaging and a generous display without overspending. Its 4.3-inch screen provides clear, real-time viewing, making it ideal for examining PCBs, coins, stamps, insects, minerals, and small mechanical components. With up to 1000x magnification, it delivers ample zoom for both casual and detailed work. The sturdy metal stand helps reduce vibrations and allows smooth height adjustments, improving focus accuracy for delicate inspections. What makes the EDM4 particularly appealing is its ability to capture both photos and videos directly to a microSD card, streamlining documentation for classroom use or repair work. The LED illumination array surrounds the lens for even lighting, reducing harsh shadows on reflective surfaces. Although the device is compact, it feels well-built and stable. For beginners or hobbyists seeking great image clarity at a reasonable price, the Elikliv EDM4 offers excellent value.
Product number 2. SkyBasic RM Wireless Digital Microscope. The SkyBasic RM Wireless Digital Microscope is perfect for users who prefer mobile convenience and modern connectivity. It pairs seamlessly with smartphones and tablets via Wi-Fi, making it ideal for on-the-go inspections, fieldwork, and classroom demonstrations. Its 50 by 1000x magnification range works well for observing insects, textiles, electronics, and small mechanical parts. The compact handheld design is lightweight, comfortable to maneuver, and suitable for examining objects in tight or awkward angles. With an integrated 2-megapixel camera and 1080p video capability, the SkyBasic RM produces surprisingly good detail for its size. The 8 adjustable LEDs provide adequate illumination for most surfaces, ensuring crisp focus even in low-light environments. It also offers quick photo and video capture through the app, simplifying documentation for students and hobbyists. While not designed for ultra-precise lab use due to its handheld nature, the combination of portability, wireless convenience, and affordable pricing makes the SkyBasic RM an excellent everyday digital microscope.
Product number 3. Tomlov DM9 7-inch Digital Microscope. The Tomlov DM9 steps up the user experience with its large 7-inch IPS display, offering vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, especially helpful in group settings or detailed electronics work. With up to 1200x magnification, it allows users to closely inspect solder joints, circuitry, gemstones, coins, and small biological samples. The robust metal stand keeps the device steady, enabling precision during delicate soldering or repair tasks. One of its standout features is its dual lighting system, built-in base illumination plus an adjustable LED ring light. This combination enhances clarity on reflective materials and allows users to highlight fine textures effectively. The DM9 supports image and video capture directly to a memory card, making it easy to document projects and findings. Overall, the Tomlov DM9 balances high-quality construction, an excellent display, and practical features, making it a top choice for repair professionals, collectors, and serious hobbyists.
Product number 4. Amscope B120C-e5 Digital Microscope. The Amscope B120C-e5 is designed for students, researchers, and professionals who need a true laboratory-grade optical microscope enhanced with digital imaging. Unlike compact tabletop digital microscopes, this model features a full binocular head, high-quality glass optics, and traditional objective lenses from 40x to 2500x. Its precision focusing mechanism and sturdy build offer long-term reliability, making it an excellent choice for biology, microbiology, and academic settings. The bundled 5-megapixel digital camera allows users to connect the microscope to a computer for live viewing, capturing still images or recording video. This is especially useful for lab documentation, online teaching, and collaborative work. The LED illumination provides bright, stable lighting, while the mechanical stage allows smooth specimen navigation. Although bulkier and more technical than hobby-level microscopes, the B120C-e5 delivers true scientific performance with the added benefit of digital imaging, making it ideal for serious learners and professionals.
Product number 5. Andonstar AD246SM HDMI Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD246SM is a premium HDMI digital microscope built for professional applications such as electronics inspection, precision soldering, quality control, and detailed manufacturing work. It features a high-resolution camera and HDMI output, allowing users to display images on large monitors for group viewing or fine detail analysis. This real-time, lag-free display capability sets it apart from USB-only microscopes, making it excellent for workshops and training environments. With a strong, adjustable metal stand and a versatile lens system, the AD246SM provides excellent stability and customizable working distances. The LED lighting is bright and adjustable, helping users achieve optimal clarity on reflective surfaces like circuits and metal components. The device also supports photo and video capture, enabling detailed documentation. While it's more expensive than entry-level models, the professional-grade performance, high-quality image output, and connectivity options make it worthy of serious users who demand precision.